Think about the space on a deck or a patio. It is a valuable real estate, a stage for leisure and living. Often, we try to fill it with two separate things: places to sit and places for plants. We bring in pots and planters that sit on the surface, taking up foot-room, sometimes staining the wood, always needing to be moved for cleaning. A wooden planter deck box is a different approach. It combines these two needs into a single intelligent unit. It is not a pot placed on a deck. It is a piece of deck itself that holds life. It is a way to integrate the garden directly into the architecture of your outdoor living space, creating a seamless, contained, and purposeful beauty. The core idea is a sturdy hollow box built from wood that serves a dual function. Its primary purpose is as a planter. It has a solid, water-resistant interior liner or is constructed from rot-resistant wood itself, filled with soil and home to flowers, herbs, grasses, or small shrubs. But its top is a flat, secure, finished surface. This is where the deck box concept truly shines. That flat lid transforms the planter into functional furniture. It becomes extra seating when you have a crowd, a perfect perch for a guest to set down their drink, or a sturdy side table next to a lounge chair. Some designs features a lid that lifts on hinges, revealing a dry hidden storage space inside for cushions, garden tools, or patio toys, adding a third layer of utility. The material is key. This is a piece that must handle constant moisture from within and exposure to sun and rain from without. Cedar and redwood are classic choices. They are natural tannins resisting decay and insects, their grain providing a rustic warm texture that weathers to a soft silver. Teak offers unparalleled durability and a richer initial color. For a more modern look, thermally modified woods like ash or pine, which are baked to become highly stable and water resistant, can provide a sleek, contemporary look. The wood is typically joined with weatherproof techniques, and while it may be left to weather naturally, a protective oil can deepen its color and enhance its grain, making the planter box a rich visual anchor. The design possibilities are where this idea becomes particularly engaging. A single, long, low box can run along the edge of a deck, acting as both a railing and continuous garden bed, defining the space with color and foliage. A pair of square boxes can flank a staircase, offering symmetry and welcome. A large corner triangle box can fill an awkward angle perfectly, softening the hard lines of the deck with a burst of greenery. The dimensions are tailored to human use, typically between 18 and 24 inches in height, which is ideal for both plant root depth and comfortable seating height. But the true artistry is in the planting itself. This integrated planter allows for more curated garden-like approach than scattered pots. You can create a mini landscape. A box could feature a small ornamental Japanese maple underplanted with shade-loving ferns and hostas. Another could be a vibrant kitchen garden of thyme, rosemary, and chives within arm's reach of the grill. The plants become a living, changing part of the furniture's design. The box contains their spread, manages their water needs in one location, and elevates them to a height where they can be appreciated without bending over. From a practical standpoint, this integration solves common deck problems. It adds weight and visual stability to a raised platform. It provides privacy screening when planted with tall grasses or bamboos. It manages runoff by containing soil and water in a specific zone with proper drainage, protecting the deck boards below. It also reduces clutter. By having the planting be the furniture, you eliminate the need for numerous small side tables and jungle of individual pots that can make the deck feel chaotic. Ultimately, a wooden planter deck box is a testament to multifunctional, thoughtful design. It refuses to see the needs of a seating, storage, and gardening as separate. It uses warmth and versatility. What is the most compelling function of a planter deck box for you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating.